approximately about 100 people walking with us this morning.
Abanua Korolebo, Turana Bunivalu, Abanua Nambuke, Turana Tunamosi, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very good morning to you all. First of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the Abanua of Korolebo for the traditional welcome performed this morning on behalf of the Banua. My fellow Fijians, it gives me much pleasure and privilege this morning to join you all and be part of this memorable occasion. Today marks the official day of the commemoration of Fiji Day for the year 2018. As a nation, we celebrate our unique existence together with our religious and cultural diversity, resembling a sense of unity and tolerance for one another. This is the cornerstone for a strong, multiracial society. We are indeed grateful together here in Nagua town to commemorate this important day. As we speak to you, the national celebration is currently underway in Lambasa town. This is the second consecutive year the government has decided to shift the main venue for the celebration away from Suva. Last year it was celebrated in Nandi town. This year it has shifted to the Northern Division, showing government's commitment to include everyone in all government-driven initiatives and functions. This, however, does not lessen the importance of our other centers, which will be part of such initiatives in the future. We have come a long way since independence, and this year we celebrate our 48th year as a sovereign nation. This is a remarkable achievement in itself and should be celebrated extensively by all. The theme for Fiji Day celebration is progressing together, leaving no Fijian behind. The theme resonates well with government's intention of ensuring that all Fijians are equally involved in benefiting the development of the nation. More so, this is in line with government's 20-year National Development Plan for Fiji to be a developed country and a hub in the Pacific region. As a small island state, our global footprint far outweighs our contribution to the international community. Nevertheless, we have held ourselves confidently amongst bigger and more developed nations. This is evident in government's leadership in various committees, such as the D77, the COP23, and the United Nations General Assembly, to name a few. Government is committed to regional and international development partners who have assisted us in times of our need, particularly on humanitarian support. Government programs and plans to address this are in place and will effectively assist Fijian communities before and after natural disasters. We wish to assure you that this government is for the people. Initiatives are being put in place by the government to ensure that development and assistance accommodates each individual across all communities. Improvement in sectors of governance such as health and social welfare will be revamped to effectively address the needs of the disadvantaged in society. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji Day is a time not only for celebration, but also a time of remembrance, reflecting on the tumultuous period of our history that we have passed. It is a day for unity and progressing together as one, and most importantly, celebrating our shared history as a nation. A period that we hope will not be repeated as we progress together to be a developing, modern, and multicultural society. Ladies and gentlemen, I urge everyone to come and participate in the organized program for the Fiji Day celebrations. On that note, it is my most humble pleasure to officially open the Fiji Day celebrations for the Central Division. God bless Fiji, and God bless us all. Nobody.